a fake. He's a fake. Ashton Hall tapes his nose and mouth at night, which is good, but there's one mistake he's making he definitely hasn't realized yet. Sure, he's still gonna get the insane benefits of really good sleep, a sharper jawline, and just better facial structure. And I can definitely say it works. Just look at my 5-month transformation. It's literally night and day. You can't even argue it. But the mistake Ashton Hall is making is that the brand of mouth tape he's using is not made of silk, and this can cause a ton of issues around your mouth over time. You have to make sure you pick a high quality brand of mouth tape, which is why I went with Snore, because it also comes with 30 of those nose breathing strips for completely free. And the best part is it's even on sale right now. Are you kidding me? If you guys want to get a sharper jawline and sleep amazing, then now is the time. I dropped the link below.